Suara Gracia FM, the sound of life. God saves the oppressed. Shalom, good evening keluarga Gracia. Meet me again with Audrey in English Time program on Monday, 11th of August 2025. Okay, how are you keluarga Gracia? I hope everyone is blessed, and of course today we will talk about something new, new trending. But before that, let's say hi to Miss Twita. Hi Miss Twita, how are you?
Hi Miss Audrey. Very red.
Yes, very red. You have no idea how I prepared for this for
red.
tonight.
Sorry.
This red.
Just to make it matching.
Yeah. I have to find a red and white.
Oh, okay.
So because I don't have a red like outer, so and then I just thought, okay, just red and white.
Yeah, okay, that's
just
already
like
good.
on Indonesian flag.
Yeah, that's right. Because we are welcoming the Independence Day, the commemoration of the Independence Day,
so
and everywhere we can see so many red and white flags.
Red and white.
Big, small, tiny.
It's like everyone already started to just make everywhere red and white.
Yeah, that's right. Even in my neighborhood, they put the, what do you call it? Not banner ya. Apa sih bahasa Inggrisnya kok udah lupa ya, udah di bibir. Itu bikin apa selinger-selinger gitu ya.
Oh yeah.
They made it themselves. So maybe last week they put from one wall to another wall like that. The small flags.
Okay, yeah.
And even the gapura, they painted it white and red and white.
Wow.
Yeah, that's right. Okay. And everywhere we already see that people already fly the flags. Yeah, it is not the other flag, but it is the red and white flag.
Yes.
Yeah.
So how are you, Miss?
Well, I'm very, very hectic today.
Yeah.
Well, yesterday I went to Jatinangor again.
Okay. See, she didn't sleep.
Well, I went by car. I drove myself all alone. And I brought so many lauk pauk.
Yeah, of course.
For my daughter.
For the youngest one.
Youngest, yeah. Biasanya kalau untuk yang bungsu kita pasti sayangnya lebih ya.
Beda ya.
Nggak tahu kenapa ya, begitu ya.
Ngerasanya kayaknya masih kecil aja terus
masih
gitu
kecil
kan.
aja gitu. Berarti natural ya, kayak gitu
natural,
ya.
Miss.
So I bought so many food for her, including the mangga yang udah dipotong-potong.
Wow, okay. Ready to eat.
Yeah, ready to eat. And then because today is her first day for the, what do you call it, OSPEC, OSPEC for the college students.
Yeah.
There will be 5 days.
Okay.
Monday to Friday.
Oh, 5 days.
So first and second and the fifth day, 3 days will be in the university, but on the third and the fourth day will be in the faculty. And then as I heard that in the faculty usually the OSPEC is harder than in the university as a whole.
Okay.
But well, let's her experience anything.
Yeah.
And she got so many duties to do. Beli ini, beli itu, topi.
Yeah, because the OSPEC days. Yeah.
And when I saw that there is a kursi goyang, what? Do you need to bring kursi goyang? No, ma'am. It is a piece of paper, 50 by 50 centimeter for us to sit on. Okay. Hanya kertas tapi dibilang itu sebagai kursi goyang.
Okay.
Jadi itunya
just goyang-goyang sendiri saja.
So it's very cool, I think, and then everything was well organized because this morning at before 5, we were already there in the campus this very morning, and the weather was very cold.
Okay.
But you know how many students, how many college students? It is said that 9,600 students.
9,600. Oh my God. Okay. Wow.
Yeah, with 800 committees. 800 students as the committee.
Okay.
Panitianya 800 orang. Okay, so can you imagine? Itu perasaan tadi pagi lihat aliran siswa itu yang gak berhenti datang menuju ke kampus ya. And everyone was wearing their own school uniform, the high school uniform. Jadi so she could see the people, oh kalau yang bajunya sama-sama saya, walaupun nggak satu sekolah berarti satu yayasan lah gitu seperti itu. So she could see that. Even until now she hasn't reported to me.
So,
it means she hasn't come back from the campus. So Miss Audrey, as today is actually I work, Miss Audrey. People always think that I don't work. Well, I work. So today I returned home. At 12 o'clock from Jatinangor.
Okay.
It only took me 1 hour and a half actually.
Okay.
But it was raining very hard. So
really?
Yeah, in the middle of the toll road.
Oh, okay.
Maybe 3 times, 3 times. So I needed to slow down my car. But finally when I came to my store, the students were only 2 students. At 2 o'clock there would be class actually in my place. So we were waiting for another 3 students. So I still could breathe. Masih bisa napas lah gitu ya. And it was very tiring, Miss Audrey, because since 2 weeks ago, every day I got a very tight schedule. Even I slept maybe only for 4 or 5 hours at night, and then traveled again, and then I took care of my mother, my daughter, and tomorrow I will go again.
To Jakarta or Jatinangor?
No, to another city.
Okay, different.
That is for another daughter.
Okay.
Jadi ternyata kirain kalau anaknya udah mapan gitu nggak perlu mamanya ya.
Ternyata perlu.
Ternyata mamanya itu highly needed.
Yes.
You know for what? For accompanying her to sleep at night. And also to enjoy the food in the favorite restaurant over there.
Yeah,
I will go to Surabaya tomorrow. It's very far away, so I asked my husband whether I can use the more rapid train. Kereta yang lebih cepat dari yang biasanya. Usually I took the 9-hour train, but tomorrow I think I will use the 5.5-hour train. 5,5 jam. But yeah, you know it is quite more expensive. But well, I guess I need my time to take a rest, I think.
Yeah, of course.
You know, because Miss Audrey, to make this script, it also took me maybe 1 or 2 hours. Yesterday, yeah. So even on Sunday it was very, very hectic.
And also this time you went to Jatinangor and you drove it yourself.
I drove myself.
Not by train.
Not by train.
Like usual.
Yeah.
Right? So
yeah, because well, luckily I like driving, Miss Audrey, and while I'm driving, I could sing that nobody can complain.
Yes.
Nyanyi sepuasnya, disitulah kesempatan nyanyi sepuasnya, nggak ada yang komplain. Soalnya suara saya agak fals gitu ya kalau nyanyi. Jadi nggak ada yang komplain, sepuas-puasnya. Karena kalau nggak nyanyi pasti saya ngantuk gitu.
Yeah.
Seperti itu. So that is my Saturday. I think I was here. Well, I had a wonderful Saturday night because it was the time for me to. I got a chance to do the exercise in the gym, and after that, my special friend in that gym asked me to join for the ice cream. So wow! So we had the gelato, and before we had that gelato, we talked about the flavor. Which flavor can be combined with which flavor?
Okay, yeah.
Because the last time I combined the choco mint with the matcha, and it didn't work.
No, yeah.
Yeah, I didn't like it. So I finally, how about a choco mint with Silver Queen? It is
okay.
very nice.
Interesting.
So you know what? It is not like I want this and this. No, we tried what we wanted, and we discussed. That is the nice thing I think, Miss Audrey.
Yeah.
It is not just datang, pesen, duduk, makan, nggak kayak gitu. Jadi kita we discuss. Kira-kira enak nggak ya campur ini? Because the flavor maybe there were around 16 flavors.
Okay.
So many flavors. Signature and premium. Signature is more expensive than the premium.
Okay.
So, and then after we had the ice cream, we compared to another ice cream in other places that we had already visited. And then my friend said, well, ice cream is only ice cream for me. Wherever we go, whatever ice cream we eat, that is only ice cream for me. Ya udah deh. So there is no difference for my friend whether this place is good or not. So I asked, okay deh, kalau gitu bukan yang enak atau enggak ya, yang cocok dengan seleramu yang mana? Itu pertanyaan yang bagus.
Right.
Jadi bukan tanya enak enggak, gitu. Enak enggak? Biasanya gitu kita ya. Jadi enggak tanya itu lagi. Kira-kira cocok enggak dengan seleramu gitu. Kalau cocok berarti mau lagi dong datang ke sini gitu ya. Ya mau. Kalau ke sini mau lagi gitu. Karena ambience-nya juga enak gitu ya. Itu ambience-nya untuk Gen Z sebenarnya. Jadi kalau saya ikutan, mereka kan Gen Z nih teman-teman saya datang ke sini, sebenarnya saya tuh kayak mamanya gitu. Tapi nggak apa-apa lah. It is invisible.
Yeah, it's okay lah.
It's okay. And you know, one more thing, Miss Audrey, I want to tell. When I was in Jatinangor this morning, so I met the mothers, some mothers from the same faculty of my daughter.
Yeah.
So we were having ice cream again because Jatinangor was very hot. Very hot at 11 o'clock. It was very, very hot. So we went to have ice cream and then we talked there. We were 9 ladies, I guess. And then, you know what? It is very, what do you call it? Yeah. I think it's very nice to know new people. These ladies are new for me. Tapi bertemu dengan orang baru gitu ya. Kita harus bercerita lagi siapa kita gitu. Kayaknya ya lucu juga ya karena udah lama banget ya nggak itu engage seperti itu. And satu lagi Mas Audrey, yang uniknya apa? Kita tuh punya grup-grup ini ya. Only for my youngest daughter. My first daughter, we had no connection with all the mothers.
Okay.
The second daughter, no connection. Only for my youngest daughter, since she was the play group, itu ada grup-grupnya. Until today, I had the groups of the mothers.
So it's like a different tradition?
Yeah, I guess so. Mungkin waktu udah yang my youngest ini ya, karena baru lulus SMA jadi bisa kira-kira umurnya ya. So sejak 18 tahun lalu itu sudah ada kita yang bisa berkumpul gitu. Ada di grup gitu ya, entah di dulu apa sih BBM kali ya atau apa gitu ya, terus WhatsApp. Itu selalu ada grup kumpulannya gitu ya. Selalu ada. Gak pernah nggak ada. Sampai dari playgroup, TK, SD, SMP, SMA dan sekarang ini juga ada. Bahkan yang sekarang ini kayaknya ada 3 grup deh. Luar biasa ya. Jadi ternyata different generation, different time, different connection ya. And then different apalagi tuh ya. Pokoknya berbeda sekali ternyata ya. Padahal cuman beda 5 atau 10 tahun gitu ya. Tapi perbedaannya sudah luar biasa. Bahwa orang justru semakin kesini semakin kepingin connected. Kalau menurut aku sih kayak gitu ya. Makin peduli. Walaupun mungkin kesannya seperti kepo, tapi ya itu artinya ya I can see that there is a good sign that people wanted to get connected. Itu.
Because maybe it's now it's easier,
easier to be
connected to others.
That's right. So that is about me, Miss Audrey. Too long. How about you, Miss Audrey?
For me myself, actually on Saturday. I went to eat with my family because on Friday was my daughter's birthday.
Oh,
Yeah.
happy birthday, Aina ya.
Yeah.
Aina ya. Oh, happy birthday.
Yeah, so but because on Friday we didn't have time, so we went out on Saturday, and then after that, after went somewhere, and then we went to the mall because my son wanted to eat somewhere else.
Wow.
So it's like, okay, are you sure?
So that means after lunch, right?
After
lunch, he wanted to eat another
Yes.
meals.
Yeah.
Wow.
I just okay because he told me that, Mommy, I want to go there now,
Oh.
not tomorrow.
Oh.
Okay, so but I didn't eat because it's too full for me because that's after lunch and then go there to another place, and then after that we just went home, and then I just stay at home, and then on Sunday I just stay at home because also my mom, she went to Semarang
Oh.
for food culinary
With?
her friends.
So she is following the track of her mom, I think.
Yes.
But that's nice, Miss Audrey. That's okay lah.
Yeah, it's okay lah. So I just stay at home, and then
That is going and back
Yeah.
on the same day.
Yes.
Wow, kuat ya, Miss.
Yeah.
Wow, by car, right?
Yes. They special rent a car.
Ah, really?
Yes.
Niat ya berarti ya
Niat
to go
banget.
there.
Memang sudah terarrange.
Dengan baik ya. Wow, luar biasa.
Yeah, because we went to go out for my daughter's birthday on Saturday, because she will go on Sunday.
Okay. And she joined the celebration on Saturday too. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yalah. Because you are all that she has.
Yeah.
That's
yes.
right.
So yeah, it was a busy Saturday actually. Yeah, but a lazy Sunday.
That's good because today you work again, right?
Yes.
At school.
And
how's your school now? How's the class? I mean, fourth grade.
Yeah, fourth grade. It's different kids, different kind of manage.
I see.
Yeah, in the class.
Have they already adapted with you with the class?
Already actually, but still I'm still thinking about how to manage the seat.
Oh, okay. Sitting arrangement, yeah.
Yeah, because if this one with this one, and they will talk
I see.
long long days. So it's like I have to separate, but I don't know. Still have to think a lot about this.
I see. Okay.
Yeah, but actually it's better now.
Oh, okay. Rather than the first day they came in, yeah.
Yeah. Even though they still like, Miss, how many more? Miss, what time is it? It's like because they have different time of break time.
Oh, I see.
And also different time of going home.
From the third grade.
Yeah.
I see.
Grade.
So 1, 2, 3 is the same.
Yeah.
Oh, 4, 5, 6 the same. Oh, I see.
Yeah. But sometimes 4 different from 5 and 6. Yeah. But it's still different from third grade. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So.
Yeah, I hope they will adapt well.
Yes.
Yeah, in the future.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, Keluarga Gracia. That's all about our weekend. Before we continue, let's hear some songs and following advertisements. We'll be right back. Okay, Keluarga Gracia, back again with us in English Time program. After we talk about our weekend, now we will talk about the trending topic. Okay, please, Miss Twita.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. What are we wearing? So we are wearing straw hat.
Yes.
Okay, straw hat. Just like in One Piece. Okay, Miss Audrey, it's okay. Keluarga Gracia, this is your favorite duo here. Back to bring you the hottest trends and a little splash of fun.
Okay, so and today we're sailing straight into the Grand Line because apparently One Piece fever has dropped anchor right here in Indonesia.
Ah, you've seen it, right?
Yeah.
Straw hat flags in many places. On bikes, on food stalls, even on Pak RT's motorbike.
Yeah. Yesterday, I saw a becak painted like the Going Merry. We might need to start calling Cirebon East Blue City.
Yeah, so Blue City is the name of the ocean, Miss
Yeah.
Audrey. Okay, right, but ding ding ding, Independence Day is coming up. So as much as we love the straw hat flag, we've got to make sure the Merah Putih takes center stage.
Yeah, think about it. Luffy's crew chases the One Piece.
Yeah.
Our ancestors, they chased freedom.
Yeah.
That's a way bigger prize.
For those who don't know, One Piece is a Japanese manga and anime about Monkey D. Luffy, a guy who dreams of becoming the pirate king and finding the greatest treasure of all, the One Piece. So the One Piece is the treasure.
Yeah.
The treasure.
Okay. And Indonesians, we love a good adventure story.
Yeah.
Plus, Luffy's never give up attitude. That's basically our national personality.
Exactly. And speaking of national pride, Independence Day is just around the corner. August 17th.
Yeah.
So here is our advice. Fly your straw hat flag if you want, but put the Merah Putih on top. That's our real life treasure chest.
Yeah, so here's an idea. Let's mix a little straw hat spirit into our Merdeka celebrations. Join the parade, bring your pirate energy, but make sure the Merah Putih is flying higher than any anime flag.
Yes, and don't just stand around. Join the games and the fun. Village competitions, marching parades, tarik tambang, and my favorite, lomba makan kerupuk. So channel your inner Luffy and go for gold.
Yeah, and please, people, hydrate. Even pirates need water. You don't want to faint before the final round of Lomba Balap Karung.
Yeah, unless you want your crew to carry you like treasure back onto the shade.
Yeah, and for the brave, Panjat Pinang. Climb that slippery pole like you're climbing the red line.
Yeah.
Except instead of the One Piece at the top, it's a rice cooker and a box of instant noodles.
Exactly. Just don't forget safety. Use helmets if needed. Stay hydrated. And please, no elbowing your uncle in the Tarik Tambang final.
Because in the end, it's about unity. Whether you're in Luffy's crew or your village team, the real victory is celebrating together.
So this August 17th, let's sail under two flags. One for our dreams, one for our freedom.
Yeah, true. And here's my last tip.
Yeah?
Don't just show off your fandom. Show off your love for Indonesia. This is the time to wear your red and white outfit proudly. Maybe even decorate your straw hat merch with a little Merah Putih ribbon.
Yeah, like your hat, yeah, Miss Audrey. So whether you are sailing for the One Piece or just for the next kerupuk, remember, the greatest treasure we have is our freedom and unity.
And that's something worth celebrating with or without a pirate ship.
Yeah.
Merdeka.
Okay. So that's about the One Piece that we can connect with our Independence Day. Yeah. So don't if you see the One Piece flag, don't what is in bahasa. That is what I know is the word is kemerungsung. What is kemerungsung, Miss Audrey?
Apa ya kemerungsung?
Gak usah bersedih gitu ya, bahwa
uring-uringan.
Bahwa orang Indonesia itu jadi nggak setia dengan merah putih, nggak juga ya.
Nggak juga lah.
Masih banyak kok yang setia gitu ya. Jadi apa namanya? Kita pokoknya enjoy aja. Jadi topinya dihias ya, Miss Audrey.
Become a beautiful hat.
So this is the straw hat of Luffy di One Piece itu ya. Jadi One Piece itu edisi episodenya udah lebih 1000 lebih lah ya. So my youngest daughter during the pandemic she watched the episodes until 1020 if I'm not mistaken. Jadi di masanya itu seneng banget nonton itu. Tapi sekarang ketika dia lagi naik daun lagi nih, udah nggak suka gitu. Jadi ya setiap orang itu ada masa-masa kesukaannya gitu ya. Ada apa namanya suka sesuatu gitu. Jadi kalaupun orang Indonesia tiba-tiba juga pasang apa tuh namanya tadi ya? One Piece flag gitu ya. Mungkin tidak usah terlalu heboh gitu ya. Ya tapi setiap orang pasti berbeda ya Miss Audrey ya.
Betul.
Kita have fun, just have fun.
Okay, keluarga Gracia. That's our conversation about the trending topic. But before we continue, let's hear some songs and we'll be right back. Okay, keluarga Gracia, back again with us in English Time program. Okay, after we talk about the weekend and also the trending, now we will talk about daily conversation. How to answer or what's the answer? Okay, please, Miss Twita.
Okay, since we are in red and white, Miss Audrey, let's talk about other colors in idioms. Let's talk about colors in idioms.
Yes.
Okay, the first one is green. Green with envy. Feeling intense jealousy or envy, green with envy. So the example, as she flaunted her new car, he couldn't help but turn green with envy, secretly wishing for a similar ride.
Okay.
Ngiri ya?
Okay, the second one, red-handed, caught in the act, especially while committing a crime. Okay, for example, the thief was caught red-handed, pockets brimming with stolen goods as he attempted to make a hasty escape.
Red-handed ini quite familiar ya, maksudnya tertangkap tangan maksudnya.
Tertangkap tangan,
Tapi bukan hand caught gitu ya, tapi red-handed.
Red-handed.
Pakai warna merah ya. Oke, sekarang warna hitam. Black sheep sama nih di Indonesia juga sama. An outlier within a group, someone who differs significantly from the others. For example, in the family of doctors, she became the black sheep pursuing a career in stand-up comedy gitu ya. Dia jadi kambing hitam ya, beda sendiri ya.
Lain sendiri. Okay, number 4, white lie. Okay, a harmless or trivial lie told to avoid hurting someone's feelings. For example, when asked about the burnt dinner, she told a little white lie, claiming it was a new experimental recipe. Jadi, nggak mau ngaku sih sebenarnya.
Bilangnya eksperimen ya, padahal
padahal ya memang gosong.
White lie ya. Number 5, blue in the face. Sekarang biru nih, blue in the face. Exhausted or exasperated from excessive effort or repeated attempts. For example, he argued with his stubborn friend until he was blue in the face, trying to change his mind.
Ini gemes banget gitu ya.
Gemes, berusaha supaya temennya yang keras kepala itu
berubah pikiran.
Wah, usahanya keras banget ya. Repeated attempts.
Sampai biru mukanya.
Sampai biru.
Okay, number 6, golden opportunity. An excellent change for success or advancement. For example, the job offer came like a golden opportunity, promising a change to fulfill her career aspirations.
Iya, kesempatan emas ya.
Yeah.
So ini idiom yang bagus, tapi kadang-kadang orang bilangnya itu great opportunity.
Yeah.
Coba ganti jadi golden opportunity ya. Nah ini silver lining. Sekarang tadi golden, emas, sekarang perak. Silver lining. Finding a positive aspect in a difficult or challenging situation. So for example, despite the setback, there was a silver lining. The team bonded more closely during the crisis.
Okay.
I think that is like the basketball team kali Miss Audrey ya. Walaupun kalah gini-gini tapi they bonded ya. Mereka punya bond lebih kuat lagi.
Iya, betul.
Justru fun-nya di tempat yang lain gitu
tempat
ya.
Yang lain.
That is a silver lining.
Yeah. Okay, number 8, black and white. Clear and straightforward with no room for ambiguity. For example, the instructions were black and white, leaving no room for interpretation.
Iya, enggak gitu
enggak. Jadi ini jelas banget ya, enggak ada abu-abu nih.
Iya, betul. Gitu. Number 9, nah sekarang giliran si Orange nih. Orange you glad. A play on a phrase, aren't you glad? Often used humorously. For example, after an unexpected surprise party, he exclaimed, "Orange, you glad I didn't spill the secret?" Seneng gak sih kamu? Saya nggak bocorin rahasiamu. Jadi instead of aren't you glad, diganti jadi orange.
Okay, number 10, purple prose, excessively elaborate or flowery language. For example, the romance novel was filled with purple prose describing love in overly sentimental terms.
Iya, kalimat yang berbunga-bunga ya.
Iya.
Prose ini bahasa Indonesianya prosa.
Oh, oke, prosa
seperti puisi tapi yang lebih tidak terlalu formal, prosa ya. Purple. Jadi pakai warna ungu ya. Purple prose untuk bahasa yang berbunga-bunga. Ya, biasanya kalau cowok nih ngerayu cewek juga pakai gitu ya.
Iya. Ada maunya.
Iya, wajahmu putih seperti rembulan. Wah.
Terus kalau kita ini apa sih?
Padahal jangan mau ya, itu permukaan rembulan itu sebenarnya tuh bolong-bolong. Itu. Aduh. Gitu ya. Jadi adalah ya kalimat bahasa-bahasa yang berbunga-bunga.
Iya.
Okay,
keluarga Gracia, it's all about tonight. Before we leave, never stop learning. There is always one more thing to learn. Thank you for joining us. See you next week. God bless you all. Bye.
Bye-bye.